Hello and welcome to Global Society News. It has been 20 months since coronavirus caused nightmares to the entire world. Before COVID could end, our planet is on the verge of facing yet another disastrous crisis in the form of climate change. The constant exploitation of natural resources, largely by burning coal, oil and gas for energy, has led to increase of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases in Earth's atmosphere. Scientists observing changes in the Earth's climate in every region have found that the atmospheric concentrations of a range of greenhouse gases increasing, the water cycle intensifying, frozen parts of the globe melting, and the oceans warming up. We are in a deep sense of urgency to safeguard our planet from further degradation of our environment. Recently, the sixth assessment report by the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, based on more than 14,000 studies and approved by 195 governments, has clearly indicated that climate change happening now are unprecedented, and already wildfires, cyclones, floods and droughts have become the new normal. In the past couple of months alone, climate change has started affecting every region on Earth, in multiple ways. In June 2021, the deadly heat wave temperature of 49.6 degrees Celsius was observed in Lytton, the Canadian province of British Columbia, and on 28 June 2021, the town of Verkhoyansk, Russia, hit 38 degrees Celsius, the highest temperature ever recorded in the Arctic Circle. In July 2021, the Chinese province of Henan was affected by unprecedented rainfall, which caused enormous floods, and adding to the disaster was the record-breaking maximum rainfall of 201.9 mm in an hour was recorded in Zhengzhou, the provincial capital of Henan province. The European nations of Germany, the Netherlands, and Belgium too witnessed extreme rainfall and flooding at the same time. More than 4.59 million of acres have been burned due to 41,122 wildfires in August 2021. Again, due to intermittent rains, floods. In August 2021, countless people have lost lives, homes and several agricultural fields have been inundated in India, and the extreme rains have also devastated the African nations of Uganda, Ethiopia, and the Democratic Republic of Congo. The Black Sea region in Turkey was affected by catastrophic flooding in August 2021, and simultaneously Tropical Storm Grace hit Haiti to the core, along with an untimely earthquake on the other part of our planet, and very recently, hard-hit storm has wrecked Spain with floods in early September 2021 are all the serious consequences of global warming and climate change. It is no secret that the increasing of greenhouse gas emissions is the vital factor for devastating changes in the environment. Then, why nations have not taken responsibility? Why have they ignored the most serious issue of climate change? It is undeniable fact that the world leaders have not only collectively failed to address the environmental concerns of their respective countries, but also continued to delay in curbing their fossil fuel emissions. Already we have heated the planet by roughly 1.1 degrees Celsius, now every additional degree of warming would bring far greater perils, such as ever more vicious floods and heat waves, worsening droughts, and accelerating sea level rise that could threaten the existence of some island nations. Scientists and environmental activists are urging nations across the globe to take immediate action to limit global heating during the Global Climate Summit in November 2021. Every change starts off from a small and a constructive act. Leaders of the world should take responsibility and reconsider their energy, agriculture, transport and development strategies, to promote a low-carbon development in their countries. Only concrete actions, activities and initiatives would prevent our planet from human extinction. Even if nations take concrete steps in cutting emissions today, our planet is likely to warm between 2.5 degrees and 4 degrees Celsius for every doubling of the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Consequently, climate change dries up rivers, reduces harvests, destroys critical infrastructure and displaces communities. It exacerbates the risks of extinction of human race. Hence, nations should understand the fundamental injustice at the heart of the climate emergency.